Hey, I'm here at the camping trip with my JBL TWS 220. They're in good shape, I tell you. Look at this, how clean they are. You can see here that those 3 LEDs are on. That means the pot is charged. But even if they would be dead, I would be able to charge this here with my Solvin car boost thing here. So this is like a jumper unit with a big battery in it, and you can jump start your car in case your car doesn't start. So it has here USB connectors in here, look at that. And I can install my JBL cable in here, and then I can use that. If I plug it in right, this way, I can use that jump starter here to charge my JBL. It's already charged, so it doesn't blink, right? That means it doesn't charge. So there it charges. You know what I did? You know what I did? I pushed the on button here on this thing. So to turn this on, now it's charging. Right? I can charge my phone, everything with it. Look at this. That's a great thing though, by the way. Even if you need it at light, you can use this light too here. I think when you push and hold here, it turns the flashlight on, and then you can even see how things work. And then in case your headphones don't charge in here, let me show this to you. In case you have trouble charging, there is those, look at that. Can we focus on this here? They have those gold contacts on the bottom. Oh, the neighbor here at my camping trip, the neighbor is cutting down a tree. But so yeah, there's gold contacts. They have to be super clean, and in here too. And if you can't see, you can use this battery thing to go in here and then check the. I have to focus on this. Look at this. You can check that the contacts in there are super clean. That's super important to have those gold contacts very clean. And then also on my channel, the question comes up, how do I know where to plug this in here, on this side, on that side? And I can tell you that here, there you can see there is the car code. You see the hole here? That hole is blue. That means it goes into the blue slot. And then on the other one here, this one, you can see here, there, you can see it's red. That means it goes into this hole. There, charging. Bam! JBL TWS 220 here. And then this is my Solvin car jump starter kit, where I jump start the car with if I have to. If I'm in trouble, I can use the strobe light, or it can do SOS too, or off. So yeah, I can charge my headphones now, and then later in the game I'm ready to listen to music. Thanks for watching, guys.